Hello everyone! Before this video starts, I just want to give out this little trigger warning. I will be adding sound effects, such as rain and thunder noises, so I would like to warn you ahead of time. So if that bothers you, I am truly sorry. This is supposed to be for comfort, but, yeah. So if that bothers you, you can leave. But for those who are staying, I hope you enjoy. Baby? Hey, are you alright? What's wrong? No, it's not nothing. What's wrong? Oh, you're crying and you're shaking. What happened? Was it a nightmare? No? Then what is it? I'm not blaming you. It's not nothing. You, Hey, it's okay. It's okay. Don't worry. It's all good. I promise I won't make fun of you. Okay? I won't break up with you because it's a dumb reason. Just tell me so I can help you, okay? Thank you. Now, you can take your time. Tell me. You don't have to tell me right away, but please do tell me right now. Or soon. Don't take forever telling me. But I'll let you calm down. And I'll let you feel the courage to say it, okay? Okay. How about you breathe first, okay? Breathe in. And out. And in. And out. That's right. Good job. Yeah, just like that. Now keep doing it. In. And out. Good job. Good job. You're doing really good. Now tell me when you're ready, okay? Alright. You're afraid of thunder? Aw, why didn't you tell me that? I don't think it's a dumb reason. Everyone's scared of something. You know, I'm not just someone who's... Everyone's always afraid of something, you know. There is no one in the world who doesn't fear anything. I would think you're crazy if you wouldn't. But that's okay. It's okay. Do you want me to, put on some music? Would that help? Yeah? Alright. Let's see. Or do you want me to sing one? Alright. Okay. Don't make fun of me, please. Don't laugh at me. I don't really sing much and I don't really know the lyrics, so please don't laugh. Okay. Wise men say Only fools run away. I don't have her lyrics yet. Okay. Wise men say only fools run away, but I can't help but falling in love with you, and I can't help but falling in love with you. Sorry, I don't really know the lyrics. I heard it off of TikTok, but that's like the only part I heard, and I don't really listen to it much, so I don't really know the lyrics much, but if you want me to, I can learn them just for you. You want that? Yeah? Alright. I'll learn the lyrics just for you. Alright, another song. Hey. Hey, it's okay. The thunder, the lightning, the rain, it's not gonna hurt you, okay? It's not gonna hurt you, okay? I'm right here. I'll protect you. No matter what, I'll keep you safe, okay? Okay? I'm here, okay? Just focus on me, not the rain. Only me, okay? Let's focus on each other, actually, okay? Yes, on each other, come on. Here, I have another song that I know more lyrics. She's a lady, and I am just a boy, singing she's a lady, and I am just a line without her. Oh baby, I am a wreck when I'm without you. I need you here to stay. Broke all my bones the day I found you. Crying at the look. Oh, was it something I said to make you feel like you're a burden? Oh, and if I could take it all back, I swear that I would follow you from the tide. How was that one? Yeah, I know. It's just lyrics, okay? I know. Here, let's cuddle, okay? Yeah. Here, let me just grab onto you. Are you comfortable? Okay, good. Here, just stay on my chest, okay? Did I ever tell you how beautiful you are? Yeah, yes, you're very beautiful. And I'm not lying, you're pretty, handsome, anything you prefer. You're gorgeous, cute, what are some other ones? I don't know, you're everything. No, not ugly too. Stop being a little smart ass. You're everything but ugly, okay? Anything that means ugly or bad looking, that is not you. You are the opposite of that, okay? Okay, good. At least you understand that. I love you. Do you like me doing this? Rubbing your back? Yeah? Does it feel nice? Okay, good. How about I to you until you fall asleep? Alright? Okay. I'm probably just gonna hum a random song that doesn't exist. So, bear with me. Okay. Mind is blank. I can't think of anything else. I love you, Center.